It's a Jag. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a video on adjusting the handbrake. Mine's a little bit loose, not by much, so I just want to tighten it up a bit. And I'll show you what you need. The only tools you're going to need: 16mm spanner, an adjustable spanner. Sometimes you'll need, well, this is brake cleaner, you'll need WD-40 or plus gas if it's really corroded, and sometimes you have to go to the extreme and use a blowtorch. I don't have to on mine, so I got lucky, so I'll show you how to do it. Let's get under. Stick my light on. Try and do this one-handed. Obviously you have to release the handbrake, make sure your car's safe. Try and do this and keep you in view. It's not going to be easy, is it? So what I do is I use the adjustable to lock it in place. Like so. Just get this right here. Okay. Right, alright, you're there. Right. And then I will go and use the 16 to turn it. So obviously you want to turn it clockwise to tighten, obviously, as usual. Let me try and hold it the other way. It's not a difficult job, it's just fiddly. So some wrenches on there now. Now the adjustable is going to stop the whole thing turning. So there we have it. So it's still a bit loose for me. I'm just going to give it a few more turns. A couple more and then we're done. Yeah, that's better now. That's just about pulling. Maybe one or go on, two more turns, and that's it. Give it. Yeah, that'll do. That should be sufficient enough now. And that's how you change, sorry, not change, that's how you adjust your handbrake cables. If you're changing the cables, I've not come to that part yet, although mine are a little bit worn here. It's still working, so I don't want to mess with that just yet. But to get these cables out, you just unwind this all the way to the end and they slip out, and the rest is quite self-explanatory. But as I said, if I need to change these, I'll make a video. But thanks for watching again, and I'll see you again on It's a Jag.